Hey guys, it's another day here and we're gonna finally clean this car up. It's been sitting for about a year, so it's pretty filthy. It's growing some kind of plants on top and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna pull it out, pressure wash it, vacuum it, do all that stuff, and then tear into the car and start working on it. So let's do it. So window, dude, look at all these chips. I wonder how that even happens.
I don't know.
But kind of how we left it, minus all the mold and good stuff. But I think it'll clean up. Close up all the windows.
Tried wiping it a little bit.
Our wheel pan is getting into use. I'll have to clean all this up, the rust. It'll be for another day. Just roll up the windows and get started.
How's it looking, Andre?
It's looking cleaner, definitely. But it's still a long way to go. The car actually cleaned up pretty nice. Interior too. You can take a little look. Back to its former glory, kind of. But yeah, I guess what we're gonna do next, since we've already done the wheel pan, we've done the gas tank. The next step is the subframe. Our plan is to get the car running, driving good, solid before we do any of the bodywork. So it makes sense to do all the subframes and clean it up, make sure it's all tight and solid whenever we drive it. So yeah, let's jack up the car and see what we have to deal with. It's not working.
Okay, first things first, we gotta lift the back of the car, see what we're working with. Can you chalk the front somehow?
I don't know what you have here. I need some blocks or something.
Here, let me grab you 2x4.
I'll put my hand.
Okay. Look under there. We're gonna be removing all of this, cleaning it, and restoring it. Maybe even painting it with Por 15. Not sure yet, but here we go. So while we're deciding on the game plan, I decided to spray some WD-40 and have this start working. So and now we gotta find a way to remove the whole rear subframe. How are we gonna do that, Andre?
Gotta do it. How are we gonna do it?
Uh-huh.
Just unscrew stuff. It comes out. Dude, look at this. Caked on there. Ooh.
Alright, so we just jacked up the car again. Placed it on 2x4s this time. And Andre's removing the wheels, so we have better access. And we're gonna be removing the subframe. Alright, let's get those bolts. So you can probably remove that breaker bar.
Breaker pipe. So we're removing the diff bolts right now. The diff drive shaft bolts.
There we go, yeah.
They're really a pain to get to. Keeps spinning on us, but we do not give up. Look how crusty that differential is. Wow.
Yeah, Andre, you got this.
Dude, one more. Really caked on there.
Scraped off a little bit. Oh yeah.
What kind is it?
What kind of cake? Tuxedo.
Chocolate.
Costco cake. Alright. What's next?
So next we're gonna probably unhook the e-brake. And I guess these drums just slide right off, which is kind of crazy. We've got a lot of brake dust. Yeah, so how do these look? These are probably should replace these, honestly. But from what I was reading, the e-brake cable connects somewhere here, and I should just unhook. This one feels more tight. That does not sound good. These look pretty rough inside. Look at that. We should use some brake cleaner on there. Are these the same for like left or right?
I wouldn't risk it. They probably are, but I just keep them the same.
So you said this brake, only this one was working?
No, the other one.
Oh.
I mean, the other one locked up, like when you pull the e-brake. So we took off the emergency brake cable. So we need to do that on both sides. And just keep removing stuff to get to the subframe. The emergency cable is kind of interesting, actually. So it's part of this brake shoe. There's two pieces on the side behind it. Kind of has a hook. It's hard to tell, but that piece with the hole hooks onto it. So when you pull the emergency cable, it expands these manually, not using the liquid. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for tonight. We cleaned up the car, got it back to where it was a year ago, and now we actually can start working on it. We removed the brakes, the wheels, got the car lifted up, removed the drive shaft, disconnected all that, so just gotta keep working, but for today, that's gonna be it.